What you getting, honey? Look. Oh, look at that. Look, it's a little squirrel. What else you got? Oh, cute. Look at the cute little dress. Oh, Ling, and you got cookies? It says Whimsies, potato-based, no wheat, gluten-free. Oh, you love those, don't you? Yes, you do. And air wipes? Oh, how nice. What a good idea. Let's see, do you want one of these? Huh? There it is. That's what you like. You like those gators? Huh? You do, don't you? Yes. You like those? Can you say thank you, Princess Hope Elizabeth? Ling Ling, such nice gifts. Let's try on your dress, okay? Kepper, are you jealous? Yours is coming. Yeah. This is Ling Ling's prize. She has a secret buddy, Princess Hope.